How people make money using AI music. SUNO, AI songs, and the new music gold rush. Most people think making music requires talent, instruments, and years of practice. That used to be true. Today, with AI music tools like SUNO, music is no longer about skill. It's about distribution. And wherever distribution is easier, money follows. AI music is not about art, it's about volume. Before AI, creating a song could take days or weeks. Now it takes minutes. With SUNO, people generate full songs, lyrics, vocals, melodies from a simple text prompt. This does not replace real musicians, but it creates a new layer of creators who focus on quantity, not perfection. And platforms pay for quantity. Why most people won't make money with AI music. Most users open SUNO and think, this sounds cool. Then they stop. They don't publish. They don't test niches. They don't build channels. People who make money understand one rule. Music itself isn't the product. Attention is. Model 1, faceless music. Channels, YouTube, and TikTok. This is the most popular and easiest model. People create lo-fi music, ambient tracks, motivation songs, AI rap, background music for studying or work. They upload daily or multiple times per day. Money breakdown. YouTube long-form music, $2, $6 per 1,000 views. Shorts and TikTok, lower ad revenue, but massive reach. Affiliate links plus Spotify traffic. Channels with 1 million views per month easily generate $1,000, $3,000, fully faceless. Model 2, Spotify and streaming platforms. This surprises many people. Spotify doesn't care if music is made by AI. It pays per stream, roughly $3, $5 per 1,000 streams. People upload AI-generated music daily, targeting mood-based playlists. Sleep, focus, chill, background music, a network of tracks generating 1-2 million streams per month equals $3,000, $8,000, not per song, across a system. Model 3, selling music packs and licenses. Another quiet income stream. Creators package AI music as YouTube background tracks, podcast music, Instagram Reels audio, commercial-free music packs, sold on Gumroad, Etsy, personal websites. Typical pricing, $15, $49 per pack. 10 sales per day equals $300, $1,500 per month. Passive. Model 4, AI music for businesses. Small businesses need promo music, background tracks, intro, outro music. They don't want famous artists. They want cheap and fast. Freelancers charge $50, $300 per custom track. With AI, production time drops to minutes. Again, clients pay for results, not tools. The common pattern. In every model, AI music is not sold directly. What's sold is attention, mood, consistency, speed. AI simply removes friction. Final thought, AI music didn't kill creativity. It multiplied output. People who treat it like art usually quit. People who treat it like a system build income. If this video helped you understand how people are making money with AI music, hit the like button, it helps the channel a lot. Subscribe if you want clear breakdowns of real AI income models without hype. And tell me in the comments, should the next video be about AI voices, AI automation, or AI images? Thanks for watching.